to you guys as far as questions, concerns that I could answer. And a popular one was the infotainment system on the Tacoma. So what I've done is I pulled up a Tacoma and we're going to go over that right now. So this is what the infotainment system will look like in the 2016, 17, 18 Tacomas. Now first up here in the top left hand corner you'll see audio. You press that one time, it takes you to your different audio sources. Right here is where you put a CD. You also have AM, FM, XM. On a new purchase you'll have it for 90 days. You also see a option for auxiliary, also USB. That's going to be located right here. So if you've got auxiliary or a phone, something you want to plug in right there, boom, done. Now we're going to go to the apps. Now the apps here, this is going to take you to your different options. You got navigation, you can go to the phone, you can go to the audio, you can check your messages, you can check the weather, you can see how economical your truck's being. You can also go into settings as well as traffic alerts. Now, I will say this, one of my favorites is the weather, and here's why. So you go to the weather tab, you press it, and this, there is no subscription whatsoever required. You can check your current weather, you can do the 3-day outlook, the 6 to 12 hour outlook. If you go back here, you've got a weather map, so it tells you if there's any kind of crazy weather going on in the area or anywhere that you're traveling to. You can also do, let's say we're going to the Northeast and we want to see Albany, no, that's not it, Albany, New York. Right now in Albany, New York, it's 79. Humidity is 50%, a little windy, feels like 79. Which is great if you're ever going on any kind of road trips, to, you know, any part of the country, you can do a search. So I'm gonna go back here. Let's go back to our apps. Traffic. So what this does, this lets you know what type of traffic is going on in your area. You can get a traffic event list, predictive traffic map. Now this, you may see, depending on what time of day it is and where you're at, you'll see some green. Let's go back. You'll see green, red, or yellow. So just think of green as go, yellow as slow, red is stop and go. That means you got traffic, so you want to avoid that. And this is where you can save your traffic routes. So if you have an alternative route that you take to work to save some time because of that red traffic, that's where you'll find that. Back to the apps. Now here, setup. This is where you can go into detail as far as your phone. You can go to general, set the clock, change the language, temperature, turn the beep on and off, so on and so forth. Pretty self-explanatory stuff there. Home screen. What that button does, it allows you to go from a 3-panel, which I'm currently set at. Go to home. See, that's 3 panels. 1, 2, 3. Go back to the apps and setup. You can also change it to a 2-panel. And I'll show you what that looks like after we press OK. 1, 2. Now when you are in the 2-panel or 3-panel mode, you can always press that and take it to the full screen. It's a touchscreen infotainment system. So we'll go back to the apps and continue going through the setup. Now here, like I said, you can access all this information here. Your phone, connect a phone. Currently I don't have one connected. Navigation, you can go here and you can save your home. You can preset destinations, and you can also keep an address book as well as deleted navigation settings. Now I'm going to tell you guys, okay, if you are going to save a home address, save your nearest police station or fire station. And here's the reason why. Let's say you're out at the ball game and your car gets broken into. They happen to steal your truck. Well, guess what? They know you're not at home. You're at a ball game enjoying yourself. They have your address saved in here. They can go ransack the place. So save the nearest police station. So that way, if that crook decides to do something like that, guess where they end up? At the police station and not your house. So we're gonna go back here and let's round it out. with the home. So now this is the home screen. Right now we're in the two-way split. And I'm going to go back to the apps, settings, and I'm going to take it to a 3-panel. It's up to you. My personal choice is the 3-panel just because it gives you more information. So here in the top left-hand corner, you'll notice we have the audio. Down here, this is where your phone will be once you have your phone paired. This here is your navigation. One touch goes to full screen. Destination, this is how we're going to look up an address. It starts with the city, you go to the state, street address, and then number. City, Hurst, and it auto queries for you. Street name, 2. Let's go to Boulevard 26, 8520. Okay. Then you're going to see a pin drop. You can either mark that address and it will be saved, or you can press go and just go ahead and go. Simple as that. Now, I hope you found this information helpful to you. Stay tuned. We just started this channel and I'm super excited about it. I hope you guys will subscribe, follow me, leave me some comments, and let me know what I could do better. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see. And I look forward to seeing you again next time. Okay, guys? Till then, bye now. Stay safe, drive safe, stay informed.